Forest fireworks show. Look how close we are.
That tree coming behind this one. It's funny how there's like a silhouette of a tree there.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna light on fire.
It's like a palm tree.
Oh my god.
It's like all nice red and white.
Look how many stars you can see.
Beautiful.
Wow.
It's cool. You can see like little balls of smoke for every single firework.
I know, look at that ash falling. Wow.
That was nice.
Oh my god.
That one.
I know. There's ash falling into the ground.
I'm like, that one was lit.
This would scare me if I was a kid. Definitely getting bombarded by action.
I don't want to look. I feel like I'm going to go look